If you're setting up and managing Facebook ads campaigns and you need to optimize them, you definitely need the Facebook Pixel installed on your website. This Facebook Pixel is like a real pain for all marketers in the beginning, and it's always a pain for those who want to understand more about Facebook ads and their optimization. Why? Because it's sort of an abstract concept, let's say, but we'll try to make it a bit simpler today. So what exactly is the Facebook Pixel? It's actually a small portion of source code that is installed on all the websites that you want to track. How does Facebook use it, and how do you benefit from it, and why should you install it? Well, you know that you're doing the Facebook ads campaigns, and you can check there in the Facebook Ad Manager what exactly the users are doing and how they are interacting with your ad. But you don't know what is going on after the user clicks on your Facebook ad and gets to your landing page or to your website. And you want to know what happens after the user clicks on the Facebook ad, gets on your website, and you want to know how the user interacts with your website, with your products if it's an e-commerce website. Does the user add products to cart? Does the user end the purchase? It's not only that you want to know this, because of course you can also know that from Google Analytics, but Facebook also needs this data. Why? Because they need to optimize your campaigns. Facebook is doing a lot of automation, and they are doing their best to track exactly which users are purchasing from you and to serve your Facebook ads campaigns to similar users, to users that are very relevant to you, to users that have the same Facebook pattern, the same Facebook behavior pattern, to those users that purchase from you. And they find out how the users interact with your website through this Facebook Pixel. So this Facebook Pixel can be found in your ad manager in data sources, pixels, and when you click here add, you have two options. Either to just say that you want to install it yourself, or you can actually connect with your platform and install the Facebook Pixel if it's a common platform that you're using. It looks exactly like a small piece of code, so you don't need to understand that. It's like a script that you need to copy in all the pages on your website. You don't need to do that. You don't need to understand the code if you're just a marketer and you don't want to tap into the technical details. But how exactly do you know that the pixel is working? Of course, it's not enough to just get into the Facebook Ad Manager and see that, okay, I have a pixel there and it's green, it's active, and it was last received some minutes ago. You need to find out whether it actually tracks the events that you want to track, the actions that you want the user to take on your website. And for that, there is a very good browser extension called Facebook Pixel Helper. It's a free extension that helps you check if the Facebook Pixel is installed correctly. So, for example, if you install I installed here the Facebook Pixel Helper extension in my Google Chrome browser, and when I enter a website, here I enter dancewear.ro, which is a fashion online shop with a multi-brand store, and the Pixel Helper tells me that it found a Facebook Pixel on the Answer website. I don't need to have access to the website. I can do this for any website on the internet with this extension. It tells me what the ID of the pixel is, and it gives me a green that it's registering the page views on the website. If I want to check more, I go to the product page and I check exactly what events the pixel is recording, and it's tracking another page view. Coming to the product page, I'm adding the product to cart, and what I need to see is that the pixel is recording that I'm in a product page, that I'm viewing content, and I wanted to also see that the user added to cart. And then I just need to go to the cart and the purchase and see if the pixel recorded correctly and I get the green light for the purchase event. This is the best way to check if your pixel is working correctly. If your pixel is working correctly, then you can actually set up Facebook ads conversion campaigns and you can optimize your campaigns for conversions. So it's a necessary step, and I think that setting up your pixel and events is the most important step if you have an e-commerce or a lead generation website and you want to have performing good performance campaigns.